Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about buffalo. Number 1. Buffaloes are large, herbivorous mammals. Number 2. They belong to the Bovidae family. Number 3. They are social animals. Number 4. Buffaloes have 4 legs, a strong muscular body with a long tail. Number 5. They have sturdy hooves. Number 6. They graze on grass and other vegetation. Number 7. Domestic buffaloes are often used for milk, meat and labor. Number 8. They communicate through vocalizations and body language. Number 9. They have a lifespan of about 20 to 25 years. Number 10. In some cultures, buffaloes hold symbolic significance. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.